Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. Today I'm working on special tree. This Mugo pine was featured in one of my first videos on this channel over 7 years ago. After that, I sold the tree, but now, after so many years, the tree is back in our shop, but in a really bad condition. Some branches died off and some areas in the crown are really weak. But I am pretty sure that I can put the tree back on the path of former glory, and that's what I'm doing. I am actually in the middle of shooting this video and I just realized that I had a problem with my microphone. So let me recap what I already did on this tree. First, I removed all the old wire from the tree, including from the dead branches. As far as I can tell, the reasons for bad shape of this tree are different. First of all, the lack of the sun. You can tell this by all the lichen and algae on the branches and the bark of the trunk. The Mugo pines are really sunny trees. They need all sun you can give them. And the second reason is I'm almost sure, almost no feeding, no fertilizing. So the tree was really suffering the last few seasons. Then I started removing the old stubs along the nebari while I transformed the remaining larger root that was showing from the ground into an interesting detail with a power tool. I also turned the dead branch into gin. And now, with new microphone, let's continue with wiring and styling. With wiring and styling, I will open the crown and let the sun, the light into the crown. With that, I will promote the growth of new buds. And with that, with new healthy growth, the tree will regain the power, the vigor and the strength which really needs. Before wiring, I cleaned the crown by removing old needles and cutting off some inferior and unnecessary branches. Then I proceeded with wiring and styling. You probably many times heard advice that you can work on the trees just when they are in full strength, healthy and vigorous, and that advice still stands. But as many times in bonsai, we don't just stick to the rules. We examine the trees and we decide after that what to do with them. In this particular case, I decided to work on this tree even though it is not in full strength, full health. But my opinion is that I am helping the tree with this work because I open up the crown, I let the light, the sun into the crown, and of course I will take really careful care after this work. The pine will get plenty of sun, a lot of fertilizer, and of course it will be carefully watered. If everything goes to the plan, this tree will be in full strength just after one growing season. and then it will be for sale again. And if you like this tree, don't hesitate to contact me. With that, we get to the point where I'm asking you to subscribe and to support our channel with clicking the thanks button below. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.